Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Dear students, it's 8th lecture of MS Word. In this lecture, we will discuss about the hyperlink and bookmark. Hyperlink and bookmark are very familiar commands, very common commands that we use in MS Word for the creating of the links with other files, websites, or also to create the link on the same page on the different locations. Let's have the practice of this one. I'm going to open the new file. On new file, there is insert tab, and here is hyperlink and bookmark. We are doing hyperlink and its hotkey is control K. Okay, hyperlink is to create the link with other files, with pictures, with website, and with any program. First of all, we are going to do the practice of files. Just select the file, or you can type here any text. Select, create the hyperlink. This dialog box will display before you. Just select the file from the drive wherever you have. Okay, I am searching from the documents, and there is file of, I think, Excel book 1. Okay, any file, any software. Select the picture. When you click, just to check the what happened when you have done hyperlink. Its color is blue and it's underlined. Roll over the mouse. It's showing control click. Press the control key from your keyboard and press click. Yes, it will open the file that we have linked with this button. This is open. Again, select the pictures, hyperlink, documents, go to pictures, select any picture from here. Okay, just control click. It will open the picture that we have linked. It's opening here. Picture, website, hyperlink. No need to move here. Here is address. Just to type here the www.google.com. Okay, just control click. It will open the website in the browser, the same address that we have linked. This is your website that is opening with the help of hyperlink. Now students, we are going to do the practice of bookmark. That is very interesting. For bookmark, it's just like the practice that we have a bookmark in any of our notes and any books. We type here office package. Graphic designing, website designing, it's a first page. Just enter. You go to second page. This is your first button, and its detail is here. Office package, and type here its detail. I am writing some text. I'm just making some temporary text for showing the page only. Okay. This is your first page, office package. It is button, and this is your target. It's very simple. For example, the first page is your index page. First page is your index page. When I click on office package, it will open the office package, this page. It's second page. Just click your mouse at the beginning of the heading of the first page, office package. Click here, insert, press bookmark, insert here bookmark. The bookmark name always consists on the single word and always start from the alphabets, not with the numeric. When I will type here 1 A B C, the buttons are still disabled. When I will type here office, it will open. When I will give here space package, again it's disabled. The conclusion is that for assigning the bookmark, it should consist on the single word and always start with the alphabet, not with the numeric. Add. Okay. Now select the office package, click the hyperlink and assign the location where we have bookmark. Just click on the place in this document. For going to attach the file, we were moving here, and for website we type here the address, and for the specific page location just click on the place in this document, and here is your office. Okay, now it is linked. Just you control click on this link, it will open or jump on the second page just like this. When you will click on this, it will move you on the second page. The second has in website graphic designing. Just select the same text, press Ctrl C, copy and paste here, and this heading is relevant to graphics designing. Click here, bookmark, graphics. Again make third, this is your website designing. Just click your cursor at the beginning of the heading, bookmark, its website. Add. This is AutoCAD. Okay. Click at the beginning of the heading, bookmark, just type here AutoCAD. Okay, now select the graphic designing, hyperlink with the graphics, website designing, hyperlink, website, AutoCAD, hyperlink, click on that. Now click on the graphics, control click, you are at graphics heading. Click on the website designing, you are at the website designing. On the AutoCAD, you are at AutoCAD. But the issue is that we have to scroll or going upwards one by one. I want to jump quickly on the first page. A solution is just to type at the end of the every document, go back. This one, go back. It will type on the end of every page, go back. Keep your cursor at the beginning of the document on first page. Click here, bookmark, it is top. Add. Select the go back, hyperlink, top. Now select this go back and copy this text or hyperlink with all the pages. Just click on the go back, you're on the first page. Click on the graphics, go back. Click on the website designing, go back. Click on the AutoCAD, go back. And this is your system. It's your index, and every heading is linked with the bookmark, and every bookmark is assigned on the beginning of the heading of the first page, or second page, third and fourth. AutoCAD is linked with the AutoCAD, website designing is linked with the website designing, graphic designing linked with the graphic designing, and office package with the office package. And this go back is attached with the beginning of the document, that is top bookmark. Okay dear, thank you very much and enjoy your lecture, and I suggest you to learn and watch the previous videos of this topic MS Word from lecture 1 to 7. Okay, Allah Hafiz.